My name is Julie Kule. Today I will present for my mini project. This is my profile. This is mini project content and the problem statement. Your company has been assigned to design a smart home with security system. The minimum requirement for the system must have 3 isolated alarm sensors to cover 3 exits, one auto gate system, one automatic water pump system, and sensor to control indoor and outdoor lighting. All of their functions will be controlled by PIC microcontroller. Your design must be creative, innovative, and elegant system designed to impress the customer in choosing your design. In part 1, using brainstorming chat for come out solution project. First, I will use brainstorming. Second, I will do a block diagram. I will do a component testing. I will design a flowchart, circuit simulation, circuit testing. I will do a function testing, and I'll finish a product. In a part 2, I will build a block diagram, the input and the output. This is block diagram for this mini project. Switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, and in RE3 is reset. This is the output. In RA2 is buzzer, RA4 is LED1, in RA6 is LED2, and RB2 is a motor, and RB4 is LED3, and RB6 is LED4, and RD2 is LED5, RD4 is LED6. This is the flowchart for this mini project, and this is the design schematic for part 4. I already designed the schematic. This is for auto gate system, automatic water pump, and indoor and outdoor lighting. In part 5, I built C language for code programming. This is coding for the circuit. In part 6, run simulation and analyze the outcome. Okay, first, when push button switch 1, and LED1 and motor will turn on. The sensor detect the water less than 25% in water tank and water is being pumped. For example, like this. Switch 1. The LED1 and motor will turn on. Okay. Next. When push button switch to an LED3 and motor will on, the sensor detect a machine nearby the gate. When LED3 and motor turn on, the switch 2. When switch 2 is pressing, the LED3 and motor will turn on, and the sensor detect a machine nearby the gate. Okay. Next. When push button switch 3, the LED5 is turned on. The sensor detect the decrease of brightness during night. Switch 3. When we push button switch 3, LED5 is turned on, and the sensor detect the decrease of brightness during night. And next, when LED2 is turned on, the water level is more than 25% in water tank. When LED 4, LED 2, and LED 6 is on. LED 2, LED 4, and LED 6 is on. For LED 2, the water level in is more than 25% in water tank. For LED 4 is turned on, the sensor did not detect any nearby motion, and LED 6 is turned on, the sensor detects high brightness at surrounding. LED 4, LED 2, and LED 6. Okay, for discussion, in this mini project, the coding that related to the experiment need to apply to PIC 18 using MP-Labs. The error on the coding should be solved until it boot successful. Besides that, I will use the Proteus 8.5 professional application to correct the circuit that related according to the coding. Lastly, I also make some reference to previous assignment related to my project. And the conclusion, for the conclusion, after apply all the coding on MPLab and apply it to PIC 18, student will be able to understand how to correct the coding that related to this project. Then I know that how to get the result of circuit when I press a switch 1, 2, and switch 3, the LED and motor will turn on. So I able to learn the correct way of coding and able to understand that use of the coding. That's all. Thank you.